Hi guys, Mike at Phase 1. Another LED product to show you. ledj slimline 229. It's a can stroke panel type LED type thing. I'm going to show you, make it more easier to explain. Right, I'll just read some of the specifications off the side of the box. It's DMX. It's got 7 channels of DMX. Flicker free, RGBA. So we've got red, green, blue and amber LEDs. Operating modes built in: static, colour, colour change, colour fade, auto run, and it'll work slave and sound active. So basically it'll do sound to light. It's got everything we expect out of an LED product these days. Right, red LED's got 36, green 63, blue 61 and amber 69. The beam angle 29 degrees, and the LEDs are 10mm ones. Let's show you the item, because it's not quite like a can. It's a slimline can, like it says on the box. Right, come into the back of the unit, just turn it that way up. We've got DMX in, DMX out. Right, we've got power and power out, so we can link these up in rows or pull out of one socket. We've got our DMX control and our mode control here. Right, and we've got an on and off switch. Right, also, nice touch about this. It says if we can open it up, we can stand it like so. Right, maybe not the best place to put it, but forgive me, I've made my mind up what I'm going to do. Put it on the floor. Right, we can change the angle. You know, we can get that really nice and flat as well. I think it's just a good stand. I just think it works. Feels like a quality item. You know, it's got a nice finish to it. Looks good. What we're going to do is we're not going to do anything fancy with it. We're just going to show you how bright it is. And we're not going to do that by putting it on and pointing it at the camera. I basically get a torch and point it at the camera and show you how bright it is. What I want to show you is how much one can, so we've only got one, how much one can will light up an area. Now, looking down the shop, down the length of the shop, right, you can see the end there. If you zoom in down there, you should be able to see some radio mics on the wall. Right, we're going to stand in the exact position and we're going to turn the lights off and we're going to point the can or panel. I don't know, is it a panel or is it a can? I'm not sure. I think it's both. Right, we're going to point it down the shop and we're just going to let it cycle through a few of its colours so we can see what's going on with it and how bright it is. I'm absolutely confident that the throw on this, no problem at all, you'll still be able to see them radio mics on that back wall. So we're going to come back in 1 second, we're just going to turn the lights off and we'll get it running. So we're just going to cut the kit film for a second. See you in a second, guys. Alright guys, back in the room in the dark, stood next to the Stig in the dark. It's not a very comfortable place to be, but here we go. We've turned all the lights off in the shop. All the thing that I think is on in the shop at the minute is still a couple of computer screens. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this can on. We're going to point it down there. Right, we haven't plugged it into a controller. We're just going to let it cycle through some of its colours. So we've not put it on any fancy colour. We just want to see that amber. I like that's the amber coming through there. It's like a nice colour. Right. What I just wanted to show was obviously how bright that is. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm just quickly going to move the can if the camera can just stay where it is. That's how dark it is. You can always tell, you know, as soon as I bring that back, that's how bright it is. Getting some nice colours off that as well. We'll just let that run through its different colours. It's all built in. Again, it's just on its auto run sequence, not running sound to light or anything like that. You can lock this into a colour. I just like this product. It'll work very, very well with a controller. You'll see on the website that we have bundled this up with the Light and Easy controller. Will work perfect with this. Absolutely work perfect. I think that's all about really we're going to show you about with it. It's a very simple idea of, you know, the can's just getting smaller. I think it'd be great for uplighting. I think it'd be great, you could put these on a bar, you know, for a band. Put them on a T-bar or across a gantry, replacing your old cans. But this is just small and compact, you know. Great for floor standing as well, for uplighting. Very, very versatile and very bright. Very happy with that. And I think that amber is bringing definite colour changes, and I think the colours are better. It's with that extra colour of LED in there, because we've got red, we've got green, we've got blue, and we've got amber, which seems to be making, as far as I can see, better colour mixing, a better range of colours. Okay, so there you go, guys. That is the ledj Slimline 229. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.